Hello everyone, and welcome to today's tutorial on developing an interactive and animated tic-tac-toe game using React and TypeScript. In this video, we're going to dive deep into creating a dynamic user experience with custom victory animations and reactive UI updates. This project is not just about building a game, but understanding how to leverage browser-based interactions and visual transitions to create engaging user interfaces. Whether you're new to React or looking to enhance your skills with TypeScript, this hands-on guide is perfect for you. By the end of this session, you'll have a solid understanding of how to integrate animations into your applications, manage state effectively, and use TypeScript to write robust and scalable code. Let's start by exploring some of the key concepts behind this project. We'll be using React, a popular JavaScript library known for its component-based architecture, which simplifies the building and maintenance of UIs. React's virtual DOM allows for efficient updates and rendering, which is crucial for creating smooth user interactions. Adding TypeScript into the mix, we gain the advantage of static typing, which helps catch potential errors early in the development process and improves the maintainability of our code. The component-based architecture is essential here, as it allows us to break down our application into smaller, reusable pieces. We'll have components for the board, square, and game, each handling its own state and behavior. This modular approach not only makes our codebase more organized, but also prepares it for scalability. State management is another crucial aspect, and we'll be using React's useState and useEffect hooks to manage the game's state, tracking player turns, and determining the winner. Additionally, we'll explore how to implement custom victory animations using CSS animations and React animation libraries like Framer Motion. These animations will enhance the user experience by providing visual feedback when a player wins. Lastly, we'll discuss reactive UI updates. With React's virtual DOM, we can ensure that our UI updates efficiently in response to state changes, providing a seamless user experience. Conditional rendering will allow us to display different animations or messages based on the game state, making our application more dynamic and engaging. Now, let's take a closer look at one of the key files in our project that brings the game logic together. In our src components game.sx, we manage the state and logic of the game. The file begins by importing React and using the useState hook to manage the history of moves, the current step, and which player's turn it is. The handleClick function updates the game's state when a square is clicked, determining if there's a winner or if the square is already filled. The jump-to function allows players to navigate through the game's history, effectively undoing moves. The game status, whether it's the next player's turn or if there's a winner, is dynamically displayed. This component also renders the board and game information, such as the status and move history. Now, let's walk through the tic-tac-toe game in action. Imagine opening the application and seeing a clean, minimalistic interface with a 3x3 grid. This is our game board, ready for you to start playing. As you click on a square, the game alternates between X and O, updating the board in real time. The game's interface provides immediate feedback on whose turn is next, keeping the experience fluid and engaging. Once a player aligns 3 of their marks in a row, column, or diagonal, a victory animation plays, celebrating the win. The interface updates to declare the winner, adding a layer of excitement to the game. Additionally, you can navigate through your move history, jumping back to previous states of the game. This feature not only allows for analysis of past moves, but also adds a strategic element to the gameplay, as you can reevaluate your decisions and try different strategies. And that wraps up our tutorial on developing an interactive and animated tic-tac-toe game using React and TypeScript. We've covered a lot of ground, from understanding the theory behind component-based architecture and state management to implementing custom victory animations and reactive UI updates. This project not only enhances your technical skills, but also gives you a practical understanding of how to create engaging, user-centric applications. As web development evolves, the ability to build dynamic and visually appealing interfaces is becoming increasingly important. We hope this tutorial has provided you with valuable insights and inspired you to continue exploring the possibilities with React and TypeScript. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to seeing what you create. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Happy coding. Happy coding.